Hey y'all, let's do this skincare routine. I've already given you guys, or before, after, I don't know where I'm gonna put the video, but I've already did my little everyday makeup routine, which isn't much, but it's mine. So now let's do skincare if we can get through this video, if I have storage. Okay, so I freshly cleansed my face. It's usually wet, but I was doing some other stuff, so it's dry. When you put on your skin products, you want to have damp skin. You want it to be, you know, dewy, wet, whatever. Cleanse my face. I'm going to put my black soap that I use, and I just started using this new turmeric soap off of Amazon. I think it's doing its job. I'm not sure, but the black soap, it's been a staple for many years for me, and that's all I use. So yeah, it's the black and white black soap. Love it. The other Dudu Osun, I think it's called, it's too harsh for my face. It dries on my face. So let's get started. This is not the best lighting because I'm not at home, but we're gonna do what we can do. Okay, first I start off with, remember, dewy face. So I start off with our Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow pH and BHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. My daughter put me onto this. I am not a person that really tries a lot of things, so when she gets things, I try them. Okay, with this I put like a generous amount. Okay, and we're just gonna rub it in. I do my ears, I don't know why, and definitely get your neck. And when you're cleansing, get your neck. Okay, always remember to get your neck. And I always like to do like my under eyes. I like to give it some one-on-one attention. Not too much on my braids either. Okay, this is the Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Okay, just bought a new bottle because honey, this be going out. 1 or 2 drops is enough. Okay, and I just love the Glow Recipe products. They're just amazing. Next is Black owned. It's almost through. Black owned Purple and Prosper, the Calm Complexion Serum. Okay, 1 drop is enough. 1 drop is enough. Okay, and we're just gonna spread that evenly. I do use a lot of products on my face, but my phone keeps stopping. Anyways, we put on the Calm Complexion. Next is my next oil. Yes, I use 2 oils. This is my holy grail. I have been using this for years. Not Trader Joe's brand, but vitamin E oil. I have been using it for years. I usually use the CVS brand, but they have it at Target and Trader Joe's. So get what you want. 1 drop. Everything's very minimal because I use so many products. It's very minimal. Okay, you're not seeing the skin though. You're not. Okay, y'all, 2 more to go. Cetaphil regular lotion because you need a moisturizer. So you first put on your serums and then your oils and then your moisturizer. Okay, Cetaphil, I love it. Last but not least, another one of my holy grails, Aquaphor. This is my purse. Okay, Aquaphor, I actually have my jar, but I'm not at home. Last thing, and y'all, a tiny bit. We are finished. Let's go to the bathroom so you guys can actually see. Okay.